Welcome to your Minta dashboard. I'm going to quickly show you how you can use Minta and all of its powerful features. But before we do that, the first thing you need to do is connect your social media platforms. There are two options for doing this, either through the manual share button at the bottom of any video here, or through your Power-Ups tab over on the side. Once you've connected your social platforms, you're going to want to go ahead and take a look in your catalog area. And you'll notice here at the top the different use cases that your videos are categorized into. You'll notice when you click on any of the use cases, you do get different templates under each of the categories. And you'll also notice that a search box comes up. Here, you're able to type in any product from your store catalog and select it. Minta will then put that product into all of the templates under that use case. Next, you'll notice here at the bottom of every video, you have your share button, which we discussed. We'll go ahead and click on one. This is where you'll see the video that Minta has created, as well as the stylized designed images that Minta has created from that video as well. And here are all of your sharing options. You'll also notice that at the bottom of every video is a little pencil. This is where you're able to customize all of these features in your video, like text, images, adding multiple products, fonts, and music. You'll also notice the pink heart at the bottom. That's where you're able to save any video for later. Over here on the left-hand side is your Power-Ups tab, where you're able to create your auto posts, your planner, where all of your scheduled posts will show up, your saved area, where any of the videos that you've saved will stay. They will stay here for 30 days for you. And then your brand kit, which is where you're able to add your logo, colors, and apply universal settings to all of your videos. Then here at the bottom is your account, where all of your billing information and important info like that lies. All right, we hope you guys have a great time creating amazing, beautiful videos for your store.